how to verify your identity on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you how you can verify your identity on Cash App. So in order to verify your identity on Cash App, all you have to do is just follow the instructions guided and make sure to stick with us right till the end. Now to begin with, first of all, launch the Cash App on your smartphone, and in order to verify, go to your profile icon or the avatar icon in the upper left hand side corner or the right hand side corner of your screen, and after that look for the personal section, which within your profile settings it must be labeled as personal information or something similar. After that, Cash App may ask you to verify various type of information, including your full name, date of birth, sometimes the last four digits of your social security number, and all that. And Cash App might also prompt you to take certain actions or provide specific documents for verification. This could involve taking a picture of your government issued ID, driving license, passport, or state ID using your phone's camera. Once you've provided the necessary information or the documents, submit them through the app. Cash App will review the details and documents that you've provided for verification. So wait for the confirmation. That means Cash App will notify you once your identity has been successfully verified. And this confirmation usually appears in the app or through an email. So in this way, you can verify your identity on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.